Mercedes-AMG just dropped an absolute track weapon, the GT63 Pro. But here's the big question. Is it the ultimate Porsche 911 GT3 RS rival, or does it fall short? And now we know the price. $197,050. That's $25,000 less than the GT3 RS, but does that make it a better deal? Let's break it all down real quick. So many of you watch these videos but forget to hit that like button. Smash that like, subscribe, and let's keep this channel growing. GT63 Pro, this is not your average AMG GT. It's built for wannabe race car drivers, just like the 911 GT3 RS. But instead of Porsche's rear-engine formula, Mercedes sticks to its front-engine all-wheel drive layout. 603 horsepower from a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8? Check. 9-speed automatic sending power to all four wheels? Check. Carbon ceramic brakes, water-cooled diffs, and track-focused aero? Check. Mercedes isn't holding back. This thing is built to dominate the circuit while staying street legal. The GT63 Pro starts at $197,000, making it cheaper than the GT3 RS, but just a couple thousand less than the Porsche 911 Turbo. And if you're eyeing the Turbo S, that'll cost you $35,000 more. But what about its British rival, the Aston Martin Vantage? That's also front-engine, V8 powered, but unlike the AMG, it's rear-wheel drive only. So if you want all-wheel drive grip with brutal power, Mercedes might be your best bet. Mercedes hasn't fully revealed the GT63 Pro's option pricing, but here's what we do know. Front axle lift system, so you don't wreck that six-figure nose on speed bumps. Folding rear seats. Yep, you can turn this into a 2+2 coupe. Michelin Cup 2R Extreme tires, because why settle for grip when you can have insane grip? The GT63 Pro is a beast, but is it better than the GT3 RS or the 911 Turbo? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. More epic content coming soon. Stay tuned. Until next time, drive fast, but stay safe.